What's up, everyone? Tony here. Hope you are doing well. It is Wednesday, May 16th. I have some positive news for you guys, as well as a crypto cashing out plan template I want to share with you guys. But first, let's go into the positive news. eToro, guys, is going to open officially in the United States this year. They're going to launch a full crypto exchange with a mobile wallet. This is going to be big. It's going to be another major competitor in the US market because we need competitors to compete with Coinbase because their fees are too high. Their services have been very sloppy in the past. So the more competition, the better. The more avenues for people to buy crypto, the better, because it will make it easy for the next big bull run. If you recall, after the last bull run, a lot of these exchanges had to close their registrations, close their doors, right? Because they couldn't handle the volume of traffic. So we need more crypto exchanges. We need more competition. So some details here. The eToro, the social investing platform, is launching a full-fledged cryptocurrency exchange and mobile wallet and expanding into the United States. Announced yesterday, the Israel-based company has opened a waiting list for people in the United States who want to trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, XRP, Dash, Bitcoin Cash, Stellar, Ethereum Classic, Neo, and EOS. Some more details here. It says early last year, the company enabled customers to buy or sell XRP, Ether, and Litecoin on its platform, but it did not allow them to deposit or withdraw cryptocurrencies from their accounts. However, now eToro plans to launch a true cryptocurrency exchange plus a corresponding mobile wallet sometime in 2018. The new exchange will have bonus over-the-counter trading options for institutional investors. Setting eToro apart from other exchanges, top cryptocurrency traders will be able to reap income by making their portfolios transparent on eToro and allowing other traders to copy their trades. That is a game changer, guys. So obviously someone has a successful portfolio. They can share that. People can copy that. That is very, very interesting, guys. And there's going to be a full-fledged crypto exchange. So you'll be able to withdraw and deposit. Now, obviously, previously, you didn't have that option. But I think it's a smart move. It will compete directly with Coinbase. And we need the competition here in the United States, guys. So this is big. I don't think there's other details here. I think that's just the gist of it. But you guys can read up more on it. But I think this is going to be big. I can't wait for this to happen. We need more competition. We need more exchanges. We need to make it easy for people to go purchase crypto, especially those that have the fiat pairing, such as Ripple XRP and a bunch of other Stellar and so forth. Having the fiat pairing will definitely help and make it easy for folks to purchase. The next big news, guys, and this is coming from JPMorgan. So as you know, JPMorgan's CEO, Jamie Dimon, has said negative things about crypto and Bitcoin in the past. He has backtracked, but the co-president, Jerry Pinto, says cryptocurrency will play a role in their future. So JPMorgan co-president Jerry Pinto confirmed the bank was looking into the Bitcoin space May 16th, saying cryptocurrency will play a role in the future. Guys, hold on to your crypto. Look what's happening. JPMorgan, Goldman Sachs, Morgan Stanley, a whole bunch of other hedge funds, Wall Street firms. They're getting into this. Stock exchanges, as we just, a lot of these crypto exchanges are expanding as well. So he says here, speaking to CNBC over two interviews, Pinto, who could be in line to succeed CEO Jamie Dimon, said that JPMorgan is able to trade Bitcoin futures, but has not yet opted to do so. Here's a quote. "We're looking into the space. I have no doubt that in one way or the other, the technology will play a role." So there you have it, straight from the horse's mouth. These guys who were once against it, once saying it's crap, it's spam, you're an idiot if you invest in it, and now backtracking, saying, "Oh, we're gonna get into it. It has a role in our future, and we're gonna expand and start offering Bitcoin futures and probably launch a crypto trading desk." Guys, it's coming together. The stage is being set. You got to be patient, but these things, as you can see, straight from the horse's mouth, these things are going to happen, and the market is going to explode. We're going to go into the trillions of dollars in market cap. The prices are going to be significantly higher than they are today. So as I always say, buy in a dip if you can. This is not investment advice, but do your own research. But if you look back, this thing is trending upwards and upwards and upwards. I'm not just looking at the past year. I'm looking at years before where Bitcoin was once $1, guys, and now it's $8,000, and we know it went to almost $20,000 in December. So the writing's on the wall. Now, on that note, the next thing I want to share with you, because many of you asked me to share this, I got some messages from you guys. I always talk about this spreadsheet that I have where I'm tracking what cryptos I have, when I bought it, at what price, the volume, the amount, obviously the total cost out of pocket, and then of course the potential sell price that I may sell at, and how many of that specific crypto I want to sell, and what the profit would be, and logging all of that in a spreadsheet. This way, when the next big bull run's coming, I have a plan to cash out. Because if you're just like, navigating the waters without having some sort of detailed plan or spreadsheet, or you have the numbers in your head, you can make the wrong decision, sell at the wrong time, things along that line. So this is just to help guide you and so you can be prepared. It is not something set in stone. It's more of a guide so that when the prices do go up and we ride that next big wave of bull run, you are prepared and you know what you want to do to cash out. As I've stated to you guys in the past, my plan is to cash out a certain price point so to recoup my initial investment, so the rest is house money. That's just me, because I want to make sure I cover my costs, right? My initial investment, and make a profit. But the important thing is to recoup my costs, so I'm not operating on a loss here. So here I have this spreadsheet. It's in Google Docs. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to share a link to this in the description of the video. What you guys can do, if you have a Gmail account, you can access this spreadsheet, make a copy of it. So let me show you. If you go to edit here and you click copy, don't update this version. This is just a template, obviously. I actually restricted it. And of course, don't share it with anyone if you don't want anyone to know. So I set it as view only. So once you guys copy it and you can customize it and whatever, you will only have access to it, of course. But this is just a template. And as you can see here, I have purchase date. I obviously have the crypto type. I have the purchase date. These are all fake numbers, by the way. The amount, the purchase price, total cost, potential sale price, potential sale amount, the value of that sale, and the profit, right? Minus my original investment. Some comments and notes. I can log the sale date here. This is to help you. It's also important for your taxes, so you understand how to calculate your capital gains taxes. So hopefully this is helpful. This is what I use. Obviously not my real numbers. I have a spreadsheet that I'm using to track this, and I know, like for example, I've told you guys anyway that I would sell some XRP when it hits $10 or a little bit higher. Between the $10 to $15 range to recoup my initial investment, and then hold the rest for when we hit that $100 or over $100 per XRP. Now that's, I think, a few years away, but I could be wrong, but I'm going to cash out. And some of my Bitcoin, I'm going to cash out as well. Obviously, some of my Litecoin, Ethereum, and all of that. So once again, I'm going to share with you guys, make a copy if you don't have anything like this already. And hopefully this is helpful for you guys. It has some formulas in here that's already set up. So you just got to plug the numbers in. And once again, this is to get you prepared to cash out and know what you're going to do. So you know how much profit you're going to make, and if you're recouping your costs, and to log this, because you don't want to be navigating in the dark here, right? You don't want to be caught just not prepared, because we don't know when the next big bull run is going to happen. No one can accurately predict that. Now, could it come this summer? Sure. Could it come towards the end of the year? Sure. We don't know. So it's better to be prepared than to not be, and get ready. This way, you know what you want to do, what your plan of attack is here, guys. So hopefully this is helpful. Like I said, the link will be in the description. Make a copy, set it up, and have it, updated. Obviously, you can add more rows if you continue to purchase, and so forth. And you can even expand on this. Maybe this is missing some stuff. You guys can expand on it. Do whatever you want. But the goal is And what I'm trying to convey here is be prepared, know your strategy and what you're going to do for cashing out. So hopefully this is helpful for you guys. We'd love to hear your thoughts on the news as well as this template, guys. Leave your comments in the comment section below. Thumbs up if you like this video, and please subscribe for more content on cryptocurrencies. Talk to you guys later.